50% तो आपका टैक्स है, बड़ा सरल चीज है। 50% of all such levies are covered by tax. Now you are not able to pass on 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%. Namely 40 rupees out of 80 rupees, you are passing on nothing, and you are telling this poor aam aadmi that we have given you achhe din, that we stand with you. Which can be a bigger hypocrisy than this? What's the point of talking of foreign policy, Iran, oil price barrel? This is in your hands. And while it is possible to say that when it was X or Y we did not do it, it is not a rule cast in stone that if the price crosses 100 rupees, if it crosses 120 rupees, we are the Sarkar of Zid. We are the Republic of Obstinacy. We will not change. Because we are infallible and we are ruled by an autocrat.